Most new cars have non-collapsing antennas screwed into a mount. These antennas are an extreme eye threat and should be removed before commencing stabilization. Vehicles on their sides are one of the toughest stabilization problems. The minimum level of telecrib stabilization is 2 struts, typically opposing each other at the motor end of the car. Depending on many factors, such as the condition and weight, this solution may be sufficient for your needs. Be aware that the other end of the car may loosen up as you remove doors and roofs. The medium level of telecrib stabilization is 3 struts, typically applied with 2 struts positioned at hood and trunk or to the A and C pillars, and a 3rd strut positioned at the center of the bottom of the car. Using the long struts on the top of the car allows the combi heads to be inserted into the hood and trunk seams. This triangulates the forces against the car and provides good stabilization. The best solution is 4 struts with 2 on each side. This provides an enormous amount of stability as well as independently supporting each end of the car if you need to remove a lot of the passenger compartment for victim rescue.